Lampshade?
No, Maria. Lampshade doesn't start with a letter I either.
Tilly, I don't believe it. I've looked all over this store and I can't find anything that starts with the letter I.
Oh, listen to that. It's time to leave.
Oh, Barkley, I don't suppose you have something that starts with the letter I, do you? Barkley, you do have something that starts with the letter I. You have an itch. It starts with the letter I. Oh, Barkley, I love you. Yes, indeed. Good dog. And now we both have something that starts with the letter I.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters I
For itch.
and T and by the number 4. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop. Bye-bye.